This is the game where we were disputed. This is the first map, I believe. Either that or second. I'm pretty sure it's the first. They didn't have game recording on during theirs. Pretty sure they win this. I think this is the one map they win, and I'll show you after the video that they didn't have game recording on from my recent selected films. Oh wait, no, we do win this one because this is when his player's not playing. And this is why they disputed us, because their player had to go eat. So we took advantage and we took the win for this map. And they didn't record second map. That is game right there. 6-2. Let me rewind it just a little bit for you. This is the last final play. His friend already left the lobby because his friend wasn't playing and he had died. And that's the final score, 6-2. We won.